So these are pug marks, rhino, hyena, panther, leopard, tiger pug marks. This is ivory, hathi daant. Massive. These are pelts. Red panda. This is python. This is not shed skin, this is the entire python. Feather samples. Ostrich egg. Ostrich. Antlers. Beautiful. Preserved specimens. Dolphin. Different fetal stages of a leopard, of a tiger. White tiger. A normal tiger. Fetus preserved in formaldehyde. Beautiful. Dolphin skull. Pangolin. Massive antlers. I think one of the biggest antlers that I've ever seen. Very thick. Hippopotamus skull. इतना बड़ा है ये. It's like a dinosaur का skull. बाप रे. And it's still not big. Because there are much bigger specimens. Leopard skulls. A stuffed Royal Bengal tiger. Baap re. It is so big and intimidating looking. It's very well done, the taxidermy. So there are areas of improvement, like the mouth and the teeth, and even the snarl and how the musculature makes the folds, stress lines. But beautiful.